Hakasngi kabakhandai jongga jing yakhi ki Nongtrei SSA po alama jongga All Matlah SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association Madan laingot ki Nongtrei jongga SSA ki Manadu West Karhul District Klewan Shimata hakani ki yakhi kabla beteng mentah po Madan Malki kini kilong usangman isangma ka Santo Devi coach but Amas Gonmei baru kini ne po West Karhul District ndai kai kabakhampala nakani ki jing Shimata kini akan dikajing hikalong bakini borok laingot kini ki beri ki bamu isi ki Matlah ni ki Matlah kani kajing wan semata jong kini laingot nadu Karhils khamtam ki badan jungduna hakalyang ki kajing i jong ki khmat kala kata sibun di kini ngilam baki Nongtrei jong SSA ki bla pelong ki kajing hi akatai ka jaka Matlah khandai sngi laban kado hang ni bakani kajing hi jong ki Nongtrei SSA wadadi bala thawi ka komiti hindi kade bitang namar baki Nongtrei jong SSA ki lapan pau Macam priang setia ya ke ega bakasoka kale keren namba je kene ka komiti na kaliang osongot uperta uli apanya keren begini ke langot kibla pensngau ke jeng snau ke jongki halo kene ke jengwan ke jongki na du Karhils banya sementa kene ke jenghi jogi Nongtrei SSA.
My name is Amos Gonmai from West Karhils Pura. I'm working in Gambigri block as a DRP CWSN IE.
I'm Singjan. I'm from West Karhils. I'm working as a BRP CWSN from Demdema block.
My name is Dkhot. I'm come from West Karhils. I'm working as a BRP as CWSN in Dalu block.
How much kilometer do you travel?
300 above kilometers.
What is the purpose that you came here?
Just we are a part of members, our colleagues to join our hands. That we are also part of that, and we are also working like them, and we are also showing that we are unity. This for that purpose we are coming here. Problem is we are facing our salary enhancement. With that we are demanding from the government of Meghalaya so that to increment into enhancement for our salaries.
Do you think that the government will listen?
Actually, we cannot expect, but our idea, the government is trying. I hope that, but the real fact is we don't know right till now. Just today only we came to know. We came to join this program, but our leaders are knowing better than us.
Do you have any message that you have to convey to the government also?
Yeah, just we like to convey to the government of Meghalaya, to especially our Chief Minister, that kindly, if our demands is released as soon as possible.
Whatever one of my friends said, this same thing for me also.
In the same way, what my friends are speaking, the same way I believe it.
Ito akan nag-pour hukum ka association ni lapoy sa kami kasni ka kanday kami kasi kasi te ni podio kita ay kapang ikuha dan ring kernan ba kata kasi le jungi kan wara so dengan job te hapren jungi ru ni semua komen ban UI bagi niki perlok jungi badai Nongtrei na po Karhils perlaingot kini gedon akan ipor punya senderan lang bangi ban ai mesin lang yangi iwan niki cakar repair na kalenti ke bajngai buat kajinglong ngejong kiru UI kumni kumugilong kidai gibreo ki pamla ban UI hikmat jongki de kane ka pelpau ya ka mensiam jong ka jing ïaid ke jing ti ya ni kum ka association bat ke penpauru ya ke jing long lak loy ke jing ki manuan ban Kyrshan ni kum ka association bat bani sim talang akan ke jing ki ya ke bangi ya ki ban dawa ak sarkar bagan pertiw no ya tu ke jing te kumbang li sio hina ke jing ke jing ki wala kilong ha ko bakum gani ke jing long ranking edor kan nang bangi adu kini kisni di banangwan tar adu pengidayo ya kejubak ke wasai nakaliang jong soka